They must think I have some. You're going to let them have it off your hand?
No.
Don't you hit my car either.
Get closer. Get closer, bud.
You dropped it.
Did you get it?
Did you?
Try to feed him again.
One of them dropped it. What are deers doing?
Waiting for you to feed them.
Fighting them?
Waiting for you to feed them.
Are they fighting those?
No. Look. They're like, feed me, feed me, feed me.
That's only going to make it.
Who's that noise?
Right up
Who's that noise?
Are they barking? Oh, that one over there is making noises. You see him over there? See him over there?
What is he saying?
He's just talking.
More people, more people. It's coming.